All right, guys, we got one of our guys that works here. Truck, 1995 454, big block, dually, with massive wheels, massive, everything is massive to make up for, we're not going to say. Anyways, we'll keep it in the comments. He's laughing his butt off. So, and to show you that he likes everything massive, he did 3.5 inch straight all the way back into a high flow cat right there. That's how these come, with a high flow cat in the back. And the muffler usually comes right here. So we cut it off, put a high flow cat there, Flowmaster, and 3.5 inch pipe from the exhaust manifolds back into a 4 inch tailpipe. Because, why not? And always the phone rings. As you guys can see right there, it's still a work in progress. There it is, all the way back. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And you can see the drive out tag. He just bought it. He put the wheels on it and he's fixing it up. So tell us in the comments what you guys think of the sound and what he's trying to compensate for. Anyways, like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. That's so sweet. Wow. Here's sound decibels again. 119. That's insane. We couldn't let him go without a tip, so we put a tip on him. I love it. Again? What do you guys think? Let us know. That sounds so beast. Again? Let you guys hear on this side. He even did a custom bumper, guys, for it. He just keeps working on it little by little. Once it's done, it's gonna look sick.